Now we're gonna talk about the carrier unlock. The carrier unlock will allow you to use your iPhone with any carrier if you travel, if you want to switch providers, or if you want to use your phone with any other different SIM card. This method will help you get your phone unlocked to be compatible with any GSM SIM card anywhere in the world. This is 100% legal. Your phone will not be damaged in any way. It is in fact very positive and beneficial for the iPhone to be fully network unlocked. Because your phone's resale value will increase because your phone will be compatible with any other carrier worldwide. I have unlocked more than 100 iPhones using this method, and trust me guys, it is the best and most reliable way to unlock your iPhone. So we're gonna begin. So here's how it works. Start by finding your IMEI number required for this unlock. To find it, go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. The 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your device. You can find this number as well in the settings of your iPhone, or if you eject the SIM card tray, you will see a small little number, and that's the IMEI number. Here we're gonna request the unlock to unlock this phone. It's gonna be all done remotely, so we're gonna have to fill in all the information about the phone we're unlocking here. And then you have to enter here your IMEI number. This is very, very important. Make sure you enter it here 100% correct. If there's a mistake here, this method will not work. The last step is to enter your email where you want to be notified once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. And now you just have to wait until they send you your email saying that your iPhone has been unlocked. The waiting time may vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. So I'm gonna show you how the email will look like after you receive it. So we're gonna go to my personal email account. So this is the email I just got, and it says your iPhone has been factory unlocked successfully. So let's go ahead and open this email. So the email will confirm that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and now the last step is to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to activate the unlock. So that's the way you do a network factory unlock.